That. I can't find it.
Pizza's here. I got it.
Alright. Can't find it. Hello? Oh, there you go.
What's up?
You got a pizza?
Cashier.
Bro, what is that?
Dude. Oh my god, dude. It's a pizza table, bro.
Bro, it's tight.
Look at it. Do you know what this does? It keeps the cheese from sticking to the box, bro. Look at this. Ain't no cheese on that box. Whoever invented this
Yep, there you go.
is my lover mate. I swear on everything. Sight. Seriously, bro. Does anyone have one? What's up with?
Whoa. Pizza delivery guy's very weird. Oh, me. I want my money back.